there are so many poker websites. There are so many poker websites in India, and there are so many other poker companies worldwide. To sell each of them a team would be one call away. Since I've been involved in the poker industry for 9 years, one call and it's done. But we decided that we want to move poker away from the poker businesses. So what we did is we want to actually sportify it with the help of Mr. Amit Burman, who is the Vice Chairman of Dabur. We got in touch with a lot of different people. The first team we actually sold was Delhi Panthers. That meeting was just 1 hour, but post that, it was for 2 months, we ensured that we don't sell a team to just about anybody.
And they're a mix of professional poker players, international players, and amateurs. We actually ran tournaments, free tournaments all over India, live and online on adda52.com, and made people play multiple tournaments to come have a chance to qualify for the league, for the Poker Sports League, and showcase their skill on a national stage. And we had 20,000 participations from all over India, out of which only 48 people actually made it to the various teams of Poker Sports League.